driving down different career pathways. 8th graders at River Ridge Academy had the opportunity to explore the Be Pro Be Proud SC tractor trailer, experiencing several different types of careers in the trade industry. The mobile workshop is equipped with several simulators like truck driving, welding machines, forklifts, and more.
I like the truck driving simulator because it felt very accurate and it felt real, and I liked that it was I was actually driving on a road.
I like the excavator simulator because it's really immersive and it shows you what it's really like and how it's gonna really move.
My favorite simulator was the truck simulator. It helped you learn how to guide yourself on the road so you don't crash into people and watch out for stuff.
While inside the truck, students also learned about employment opportunities and possible careers they may be interested in pursuing.
When you get to high school, you have more options, but at least you have an idea of what you want to be and what you want to do, and this just gives you more of a sense of how it's going to be when you go and have that job.
The school is excited. The students are being introduced to different options as they get ready for high school and beyond.
We wanted to be able to give the students another opportunity to see other careers that they may not be traditionally exposed to, and also provide students with options that potentially college may not be the only way for every student.
The Be Pro Be Proud SC tractor trailer includes about 8 hands-on simulators for students to experience. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.